Okay guys, today I think is March 10th. I want to show you a little video of the birds that come out of quarantine today. These birds all came in last week. As you can see, their appetites are good. Let's see if we have any sitting in the pen here. Nope, we got two in here. As you can see, we use straw on the floor for the month of March or until these birds take a perch. Usually in March here, it's a little damp, and the straw helps with that. This is the first time I did a video, so bear with me. Maybe they'll get better as time goes on. I don't know. For the most part, appetites are good. I think this little guy here just needs to find a feed. We'll keep an eye on him. That's what we have. Not much more to report. So, with that being said, I hope everybody has a good week. These birds look good. We're going to do our best to keep them healthy for you. And any questions, give us a call. Take care.